Are you looking for a paid internship where everyone can apply and get some cool prizes, including goodies, merchandise, and internship worth 10,000 per month? So this is an amazing internship opportunity by Unstop. Let's discover it and talk more about it. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So we are talking about the Unstop Pizza Internship, and it is live. Here the location is New Delhi, and the best part is that it is open for all. Okay, means there is no any criteria that you need to be from any specific stream or background to participate in this internship. Now, what are the requirement things and how you can apply for it and what is it for you? So it is a high energy in office experience. Yes, it is a offline internship. You'll be getting stipend of 10,000 rupees, pizza voucher worth 10,000 rupees, internship certificate, exclusive goodies, and hands-on experience with the Unstop marketing team. Okay, so who can apply? If you are passionate about marketing, how they work, how the genius marketing works, if you want to know and show up your skills, you can participate in it. You can just opt out for the office internship and just build new things and new skills also. Now here it's a 1 month long internship and you can see here are the details. You will be working for 5 days and it is full-time internship and in office timing. Okay. You'll be getting all these perks, foods, letter of recommendation, certificate of completion, and all the things over here. How to register? I've shared the link in the description. From there, you have to simply register over there, enter all your details, and once you have registered all the things, you'll be eligible for participation in this amazing internship. Now, how will the session begin? So the recruitment process dates are yet to be announced. Here they'll have a clarity test. Okay, first in the clarity test there'll be some questions, means there'll be questions based on logical reasoning, judgment, marketing awareness, and all these will be based on real world scenarios. Means they'll just give you a problem statement and then you have to just enter the solution. Means it will be in MCQ participation. You'll be getting all the details, and then final will be interview round. Okay, after that, if you're selected, you'll be getting a chance to work with them. So this is the important thing I wanted to share. And if you want to know more internships like this, I've attached the links in the description. Also, there is another challenge from Unstop, that is the Unstop Premier League. You can participate in that event also. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video, share the channel with everyone, and goodbye.